How do? How do? How do? Hey! Right, this is where we're at. When the battery went, these are glued and stapled. That there is a strengthener, plus it's what goes at the front, if you know what I mean. That's where the front of the storage will be. These are where the lats go in. They'll just slide. Yeah. Right, so because of this, like, I've decided, because I've got a big sheet, I was going to put another, in fact I might do that. I could do, couldn't I? Put another one of these along there, you know, the middle. I'm going to board it, because honestly it weighs nothing. Weighs absolutely naught, honestly. I don't know what to do for best. I'm being quiet because Sandra's not well at all. She's still in bed. It's 2 o'clock, half past or something. Bit worried about it, to be honest. She hasn't been right for the last couple of days. Supposed to be going away next week and all. I don't think that's going to happen, to be honest. Right, anyway. I'll try and be as quiet as I can, because I'm right outside my room. Yeah, dear. Anyway, not your problem, is it? I'm going to put another piece down here, and I'll just see what it's like. I'm just worried about that, you know, the lift. It'll stop it, won't it? But I don't want it to go down here and then lift and I can't get it back in. You know what I mean? I'll put the board on. It's tidier as well. Yeah? Yeah. Well, I've done quite a bit, but we've had guests and they don't like being on camera. I had a camera on, but so turn it off, you know. Anyway, right, I'll just show you what I've done. I've finished the top, that's still outside, but what I've decided to do, I'm putting the end bits, you know, like this, like the carpet, and one for there. I've already made them, you know what I mean? They weigh out, so anyway, These are them there. I've already made them the other day. Just had to cut them down a bit. And these are just gonna clip too. Well, a couple of screws and just tidy it up a bit. Sandra might put something in then. Right. At the moment I'm feeding this wire through. It's gonna have to go at back all the way down there to that socket before I put that on. I'm just wondering if it'll go around that actually. Right, we'll find out, won't we? I don't know why it won't go through there. Cool. Pushing it in wrong aisle. I'll bring back memory. Sure owner of this. Right. Drilling all there, couldn't I? Right, take it there, up there. Then into there, eh? Right, I'm only saying before I do this electrics, I am no electrician. I'm just, this is my own log, if you will, you know what I mean? Don't be following me. yeah, I'm not an electrician basically, so it's just a bit of a disclaimer. When I do anything electrical, well, I take photos, which I think everybody should really, unless you're an electrician, of course. Right. So if I cut it there, .11 minutes and 26 seconds. Can you believe that? Right, that's in there now, but I'm going to have to pull this back. It's a good job I left some slack in it. Because that's it. There. Because I want to screw this down, don't I? Sure do. You know what I mean? Bloody camera went off. I don't believe it. Anyway, it's in. There. That looked pretty. Right, that's all round. Now, I'm going to just tidy up a bit. Put, if I don't need to, I'm going to carpet that, you see, over top. Then when cushions are on it, extra warmth. I'm happy with that. Oh, and by the way, it's now Thursday and my wood still ain't come. My board. Contacted Magnum. And he rung them on a Tuesday. They said, oh, it went to the wrong depot. It's getting shipped overnight. Should have had it yesterday. And they say I rang up this morning. And then he rung me back. They've lost it. They haven't got a clue where it is. Not Magnum. It's not Magnum's fault, is it? That's the problem using freight. I used to be a driver for a couple of years. You know, and they keep them in the warehouse. And if there's anybody going that way, then they take it. It could be weeks, you know. But anyway. But the daft thing is, though, they brought some of the knocking trim on a van. You know what I mean? But it was like, it was a big box van. It went 7.5 tonner. But it was a big box van. It could have gone in there easy. No problem. Yeah, but they brought them, and anyway. That's a bit, made a little tiny bit of a whinge for today. Well, all batteries are running out. My GoPro's ready to go. And my drill has, well, drill come screw in a thinger. Yeah, that's the bed look. Well, the top. That's where lights pull out. They will be attached to a batten that is going to be fixed to the 15mm board that's going down here, the light oak, and then hopefully get an handle to pull it out. It's that long from there to there. I could actually have it all the way to this and have all this area as a bed. Cool. Happen, maybe. We'll see. Right, told you about Magnum, didn't I? Right, so I'm going to put everything away now and I'll upload this for you.